What's up, team Fullest? This is again Amy Fullest. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to come and try some new product that I picked up from a store called TK Maxx. TJ Maxx is a outlet store where you get like stuff, new things, like really brand new stuff, but they're out of style and they just bring it there. So I've been seeing a lot of people on the internet, like I think a year or two ago I saw a lot of people reviewing this Pantene, the Gold series. This is actually meant for natural hair, black people's hair and all of that. I've seen a lot of review on it on YouTube. So when I went to the store and I saw this on the store, these were the only two I saw. This is their buttercream and the hair mask. When I saw this, I decided, you know what, let me just pick this up and give it a try. Since I've seen a lot of great review on it on YouTube, I've not really seen this in the store in Holland here yet. Maybe they do have it in a bigger city, but I live in a really small village, so I don't really see a lot of stuff here. But when I saw this at the TK Maxx, I decided to pick it up. So I'm going to try the hair butter and the hair mask, but for now I'm about to take a shower, so I thought let me first try the hair mask. So my hair is clean, my hair is not dirty, but so I just want to come in and put the hair mask into my head and then leave it for a couple of 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it out and then go ahead and apply these buttering cream. It smells really beautiful. The smell is really nice. The buttercream and the hair mask as well also have some really nice beautiful smell. I've not really tried this product since I picked it up. As you guys can see, I just picked it up, I just put it down and I thought, you know what, let me make a video about it and just see how it feels on my hair. I picked this up for 4 euros after TK Maxx, 4 euros, and this one as well, 4 euros. So both of them I pay like 8 euros for these two products, and which of course they're really nice, you know, really nice size. So this is what they look like. So now it's time to first go in with the hair mask. As you guys can see, my hair is growing pretty good. I'm now like, I think 5 months now. I cut my hair in February. We're now February, March, April, May, June, July. Yeah, 5 months now natural. So yeah, no, not yesterday, next week, on the 27th next week, I think today, I don't know, will make my hair 5 months. So, and my edges is really growing a little bit as well. I've not been doing anything. I'm kind of tempted to relax my hair again, to just with my sleek hairstyle, but you know, I don't have any relaxer at home yet, but I'm kind of tempted to relax my hair. So if you guys see another video of me relaxing my hair, do not feel somehow, because I'm tempted to relax this hair again. So now I'm just going to take a bottle of water. There's nothing in here. It's just water, just to make my hair get a little bit softer. You know, just to make the hair get a little bit softer. And I'm just going to take whatever is on the cover of this. Use that first on my head, and then before going in with my finger inside the cream itself. So this is how much I have. I'm just gonna rub like a cream and just lay this all over my hair. Oh, this smells so good. It smells really good. Just gonna take a little bit more. It just apply like a hair cream. That is how it applies. Oh, it smells so good. I'm just gonna layer it. If you have a lot of hair, you need like the bigger size of this one. If they don't have the bigger size, maybe you need 4 or 5, because you're going to fall in love with the smell. I'm gonna put it on my edges just to make sure I lay all of that. You can actually buy this product on the internet in Holland, because I see that they have it on the internet. You can buy it online, but I haven't seen it in any store yet. But I'm happy, at least now I go a lot. I go to the TK Maxx a lot just to see what they have there. They do have some pretty nice stuff, especially when it comes to clothes, sometimes hair product like shampoo, conditioner. They do have some really great stuff there. So I kind of somehow go there a lot now these days. You guys can see how my hair is looking like. Just rub it. You guys can see how my hair is growing. I'm just gonna take a little bit more. I just like to lay it all over like it's a hair mask. I want my entire head soaked with this product. And then now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my wild tooth comb. I'm just gonna like comb it through, make sure everywhere is product. Also, when you have like a product on your head, that is the best time to comb your hair, because you don't want to comb your hair when your hair is dry. Then you're going to break your hair. I normally comb my hair when I have like leave-in conditioner in, or I spray water on my head. That's the time I actually try to manipulate my hair and comb it. If not, we just leave it like that. I'm just going to take a little bit at the back because it kind of feels dry in here. Everywhere seems to have the product except this side of the hair kind of feels dry. Yeah, now it's covered. So for me to have a short hair, I feel like I can definitely have like four to 5 use out of this. But if I'm going to use this on my daughter's hair, which of course she has a little bit longer hair, I think 2 to 3 use out of it. But because my hair is short, so I feel like I can get more out of it than somebody that has like really long hair. Then you need to, you guys can see it's all over on the head. You guys can see it's everywhere. So now what we're going to do, we're going to leave this one in. I'm just going to take a shower, do other stuff, brush my teeth, do my facial treatment, like take my face brush, like wash my face scrub, face mask, doing all those necessary things that I need to do just to gain time so that this one can stay in for a little bit of time. I'm going to put on my shower cap. I have the shower cap I picked up from my own local beauty store. It has like a plastic in, and this outside is just looking cute. So I'm just gonna like put this one on, leave it to, you guys can see the plastic like really lay down on your head. Leave this one to kind of like steam, get the product into the hair, and then I'm going to wash it out, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished result. And we're going to finish it with the buttercream. This one helps to repair damaged hair, so you can actually leave it on for 72 hours of moisturization. So you get like 72 hours of moisturization, which of course that is very good for someone like me. I wish they have like more of this in the store, but I'll definitely go into the store tomorrow. Maybe I'll check it out again. So guys, stay tuned. Let's leave this one to stay in, and then I'll be back to show you guys how we apply this and how this one feels on the hair. So stay tuned. I have to say, my hair feels really soft. It feels so good. I leave it on for like 30 minutes, and then before I take shower and then rinse everything out. So now I'm about to use the buttercream as a leave-in. This is a moisturizing cream. I love the smell. I'm gonna use this one, and I'm going to use my coconut oil to just seal everything in. This is the coconut oil that I'm using, and this true product that I'm about to use. This hair mask is very good. I really love it. My hair feels so soft. I can't wait to try it more often. Like seriously, my hair is feeling good. So now I'm just going to take the hair butter. I'm just gonna put a little bit like this much into my hand. I'm going to rub it into my hand like this, and then I'm just gonna like make sure I get it everywhere on my head, and then just massage it into the hair, especially having TWA. My hair kind of somehow dry out very quickly because we are now in the winter time, no, in the summertime in Holland, and you guys know the summertime, it's kind of dry here, takes all the moisture out your skin and your hair. So this one gives me 72 hours of moisturization, which of course it is beautiful and I really like it. I love the smell. My hair feels so soft. My hair feels really soft. You guys can see. This keeps the white, the shininess, the left the residue, but it's going to dry up hopefully when it's all settled into the hair. I'm just going to take a little bit more. I'm just going to focus like right here. This is where my hair is mostly dry, like this center. And I'm just going to take everything and just rub it once more again. Like, I always like to massage my head whenever I do put a cream or put a moisturizer, anything into my hair. So now that we've done that, I'm going to take a little bit of my coconut oil, just a little bit of coconut, like just that much, just to seal everything in. Yes, just you don't need a lot of coconut oil, just a little bit. Let's close this container, and then now I'm going to get my comb. I'm just going to comb the hair. Use a white tooth comb, not anything that's going to make your hair break. Excuse the noise if you guys can hear that. People passing by on the streets. And you guys can see. Like this. Like this. My hair feels really soft, like the comb is passing through my hair with no craziness, like feeling really soft, and I love it for that. Now I'm just going to leave my hair like this. You guys can see my hair is a little bit shining. My hair feels very moisturized and feels really soft. I love it. This is now like 2 of the leave-in cream that I have. I have this leave-in cream. This is what I have been using now. This one is also almost like finished. I still have a lot more to go. This I have been using, and now I have this one to join with it, which is very good for me. Now I have 2. I still have the Cantu shea butter, but this one is for my daughter, because if I use this one and I use any other product mixed with it, it gives me white residue, but on my daughter's hair it doesn't leave anything. So I'm just going to use it on her hair. You guys can see we're almost out. We're like here, we still have a little bit more to go. So guys, yeah, this is the finished result on these 2 products. I know they're kind of old, very old products, but I'm happy to kind of pick it up and give it a try. I love the way my hair feels. My hair feels good. My hair is 5-month natural, and this is what my hair is looking like right now. My hair is pretty. It's not like super long, but it's growing. You know, it's growing. And I love the way my edges is fulling up. It's not like super thin, and in the beginning it's now adding up, and I really love that. So guys, yeah, this is my final review. I love this product. If you guys haven't tried it yet, go and give it a try. If you live in Holland, check out the TK Maxx if you guys have it in your city. And yeah, this is my finished review. I really love this product, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. You guys can see my hair is full. Team Fullest. Hope to see you guys very soon. Peace out. Bye.